Hello guys, how are you after 1 week? Guys, if you are using a laptop or desktop, I think you may face this problem that in the taskbar your battery icon has been removed. But, how could we solve the problem? Don't worry. Today, I will show you that how could we come back it on the taskbar. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Because you are seeing that 99% of my viewers haven't subscribed yet. So, let's start
1 hour later.
The video. First of all, you are seeing that there is no battery icon on the taskbar. So, let me type here computer management. Then click it. Then click to Device Manager. At last click to Batteries. Then right-click to Microsoft ACPI, then click to Disable Device. Again, right-click to Microsoft ACPI and then Enable Device. Now just see the result. The battery icon has come back to the taskbar again. Subscribe our channel if you have been benefited 1% by my video. So, goodbye for today. See you in my next video. And next video will be too cool. So, don't miss it. Goodbye.